Hello everyone and welcome back to this video. Today we are assembling this 64 egg capacity incubator step by step so you can be ready for your next hatch. This is the top part. You can see the fans, you can see the connectors. There are two there and two fans. Next we have the mid layer. That is the mid layer. Then we have the rollers, the ones you see there, rollers. They are used to place eggs, and on the rollers you have the turning motor that makes the eggs to turn so the embryo does not stick to the wall of the shell. This is the nesting net that will be used from day 18 of the incubation. Then we have the humidifier. Mine is pink in color. It helps to keep the humidity levels within the incubator. And lastly, we have the sinks or the water trays. They are at the most bottom part of it. So to assemble, you put the humidifier inside the sink. This is how the nesting net will be put on day 18. You loop the humidifier through that net. And then you place the rollers there. Make sure you put it in that particular position. It's very easy to assemble. And you can see the connector there, which you later put on the top part. Then after the rollers, place back the middle part to create room for the eggs in between there. Make sure you assemble them nicely like that. Those are the two connectors. We'll put them at the top. And then we have the top part, which should be able to fit on the middle part like that. If it doesn't create a perfect fit, just press it a little bit. So this is how we connect the motor to the top part so that eggs will be able to turn. Just place it slowly over there. Don't force it. Make sure it fits correctly. And then we also connect the humidifier. That is what will give us the humidity readings so that we are able to monitor whether the eggs are incubating well. Once that fits, we're going to put, those are the trays where we'll be putting water. So let's fix the power cable and see the functions of this incubator. Immediately you put the power cable, the screen will turn on. Look at that. Once the screen turns on, you will see the red letters and the yellow ones. On top of the incubator, you can see what is called the candler, which will be used to see if eggs are cracked or whether they are fertilized. You can check that on day 10. And then we have these openings just to allow air in. That bottle, you will use it to add water to the sinks while incubation is on. And then this is the other power cable. If you're going to use a solar storage battery, you will fix it like that and then put the terminals onto your battery. But for now, I'll be using electricity and I won't need this cable, so I'll put it aside. At this point, your incubator is ready for use, and I will be explaining to you the functions of the screen that you're seeing here in the next video, as we will be putting in eggs for hatching. For now, there are no eggs, so don't fail to follow. Happy hatching, everyone who is doing this job. See you next time.